When was the last time you checked the dates on your condiments? Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today, I opened my fridge and realized it's been a while since I checked on my condiments. Like canned goods, condiments have a best by or a sell-by date, and I prefer to use them by those dates. But I know that everybody has their own take on how long things last in the fridge, and that's okay. What matters most is that you feel comfortable with what works best for you. For me, I tend to be a little more cautious when it comes to dates. In our home, we don't always agree on how long to keep things, but we found a good compromise. I take responsibility for replacing the condiments I'm not comfortable keeping past the dates. This way we always have the sauces that people love on hand. So, let's get started. First, take all of your sauces and condiments out of the fridge. Next, give the shelves a quick cleanup. Now, I organize the condiments based on whether they have dates or not. I set aside anything that's past its best by or sell by date, and I also separate anything I know that needs to be used up soon. For sauces without a date, I'll write one on the label with a permanent marker. I find it so much easier to see when they need to be used by, especially if I write the date in a big, clear print right on the front. Then I make a quick list of the items I need to replace or that are getting low. After that, I simply put everything back in the fridge, making sure to toss anything that's expired, and that's it. The whole process only took about 15 minutes, but it makes such a difference. It's amazing how much you can get done in a short amount of time. If you're feeling motivated, pick a small area in your home to tackle, whether it's a drawer, a shelf, or even something like your socks or shoes or ties. Set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes and work until it goes off. It is rewarding to see how things can go from being messy to being organized so quickly. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know what area you decided to tackle and how it went. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and videos like this.